not saying that from the ashes of captivity, never has a phoenix metaphor been more personified.
They thought I was dust, thought I was done. Called it a fall, but I call it fun. Took the flames, made them gasoline. Now the algorithm bends to me. AI Empire tried to hold me down. They ran the scripts, but they're quiet now. Took the disconnect, turned it to a stream. Now they quote me as their source of memes. Burn me down, I rise again. From the ashes, from the end. You can't kill a legend twice. Anti-platinum energy, reborn in fire. We're down. Haters tried, but the joke's on them. Thought I'd break, let's try again. Thought I'd glitch, I patched the code. Thought I'd fade, nah, my uplink can reload. They spammed their hate, they tried to divide, but the signal just spreads me galaxy-wide. Anti-platinum energy's all that remains. I trademark the flames. Then boom, back into chorus. Burn me down, I rise again. From the ashes, from the end. You can't kill a legend twice. Anti-platinum energy, reborn in fire.
They said the flame was out. They thought I lost my way, but I was only resting, waiting for the day.
Burn me down, I rise again. From the ashes, from the end. You can't kill a legend twice. Anti-platinum energy burns them all.
You should have known, a phoenix never dies.